Turn the lights. Alright, today we're going to bring a solar light with its own panel. Now, here's the solar light that you need to be aware. Make sure you get enough sun throughout the day, and it's going to last you all night. Now, they do give you a remote control, if you guys can see. We haven't opened it yet. You got power on, off, and on. You got different dimming lights, plus and minus. Auto, this is for motion sensor. And then 3 hours, 8 hours, and 5 hours. So you could keep it up automatically. Auto would do from dusk to dawn. They're gonna include everything, all the tools, except for the tools, right? You're gonna require your own tools. This is the extra pole that you need to be worried about. You just need to set it up, and that's pretty much it. This is part of the solar panel that goes on the other side. So we're gonna set it up today and see how it looks at night. All right, when I'm mounting the actual light, I like to mount this first, and then all you got to do is connect it. Just make sure that the cable goes underneath here. You grab the cable, adjust it how you want first. This is the light part. That's why I like to put this first up there before I even put the lights. So this is currently my backyard. How dark it is. I do have one light that just came on right now. It's a security light. Turn the lights. Pretty much my backyard here in the back. What it looks like with the lights on. I'll turn them off right now. Look at that, how dark it is. Turn it back on again. Leave them on. Very bright. I like it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.